Small husky puppy. In the second cage is another husky puppy that is non-responsive. Neither pets have got any water. Filthy conditions. We've got all these dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. Quarters of the vets. We've got 2 dogs here. A cat that's skin and bones. Hiya, baby. And then one in a cage that is just alive. And then this other room, we've got loads of other cats, which I'm not going to open, but there are loads in there. And inside we have 4 little baby husky puppies. The room itself is just full of dog feces, some old blankets,